The leaks surrounding the Avata 360 suggest DJI may be trying to close that gap. The company appears to be developing a drone capable of delivering both. Creators might simply focus on movement and timing, knowing that the entire environment is being recorded and can be reframed later in post-production. The drone seen in leaked images follows a design philosophy familiar to FPV pilots, a cinewhoop-style frame. This style is widely used for controlled cinematic flying, especially indoors or in confined locations. Smaller drones are easier to maneuver through narrow hallways, between structures, and around obstacles. For filmmakers who regularly fly inside buildings or complex environments, that kind of control matters more than raw speed or range. Shared by Drone XL sources show a structure that closely resembles DJI's existing Avata lineup, reinforcing the idea that this drone is designed as an evolution of their current FPV ecosystem rather than a completely separate category. Improving safety, this design has aerodynamic benefits. The ducts help guide airflow around the propellers, making the drone more stable during slow, precise movements. The construction materials also appear similar to DJI's recent FPV models. Lightweight composite plastics are used across most of the body, while key areas around the motors and frame joints appear reinforced to withstand repeated use. This suggests the drone is intended for frequent creative work rather than occasional hobby flights. Indoor flying, especially in production environments, often involves minor bumps and tight recoveries. The real headline from the leaks is the camera setup. A full 360-degree camera system capable of capturing spherical video, and a forward-facing camera mounted on a tilt mechanism for real-time FPV navigation. This kind of configuration opens up some powerful possibilities. When using the spherical capture mode, the drone records everything around it at once. Later, in editing software, the creator can reframe the shot, change the viewing direction, or even simulate camera pans that were never physically performed during the flight. According to early retail listings, DJI may introduce the drone in 3 different configurations. The base version would include the drone and a single battery. This option seems aimed at experienced FPV pilots who already own compatible DJI controllers or goggles. A mid-range bundle, pairing the drone with the RC2 controller, could make the platform easier for newcomers entering DJI's ecosystem. At the top end, a Fly More package reportedly includes 3 batteries, a charging hub, a carrying case, and additional accessories, such as controllers or FPV goggles. That version is designed for users who want a complete setup ready for production work straight out of the box. Offering multiple packages allows DJI to reach both hobbyists and professional creators without forcing everyone into the same price bracket. Current rumors suggest DJI may debut the Avata 360 first in China around March 2026, followed by a broader international release not long afterward. This staggered approach has become common for DJI launches. A regional release allows the company to monitor early feedback, refine firmware, and resolve potential issues before distributing the product globally. There are also reports that early review units have already entered beta testing channels, which typically indicates that the hardware design is close to its final production form. If the leaked information proves accurate, the Avata 360 isn't trying to replace existing drones. Instead, it appears to combine capabilities that previously belonged to different tools. Traditional freestyle FPV drones offer unmatched control and dynamic movement, while camera drones prioritize stabilized cinematic footage. Meanwhile, 360-degree cameras focus on capturing immersive environments for flexible editing. By merging FPV flight with spherical video capture, DJI could be building a bridge between these categories. The real question is, how well will it perform? Right now, most of what we know about the Avata 360 comes from leaks and early product information. The true test will come once the drone is flying in real-world conditions. Performance factors such as handling precision, battery efficiency, signal reliability, and image processing will ultimately determine whether the concept succeeds. If DJI manages to balance all of those elements, maintaining the responsiveness FPV pilots expect while delivering reliable 360 capture, the Avatar 360 could become one of the most versatile creative drones available. Until the official announcement arrives, though, the industry is left watching the leaks and wondering just how much of this new hybrid drone will make it into the final product.